The fan in your heat gun plays a crucial role in both distributing heated air and cooling internal components. When this fan stops working, your heat gun can quickly overheat and fail completely. The fan serves two critical functions. It pushes heated air through the nozzle for your work, and it draws cool air over the heating element to prevent dangerous overheating of internal parts. When the fan fails, heat builds up rapidly inside the heat gun. This can damage the heating element, circuit board, and other internal components, leading to complete tool failure. There are several common causes of heat gun fan failure. Physical obstructions like dust and debris can block the fan. Mechanical wear from regular use can damage components over time. Overheating can damage the motor and circuit board. Electrical issues with the power cord, switch, or internal wiring can prevent the fan from receiving power. Loose fan blades can prevent proper air circulation, and worn bearings can cause the fan motor to seize up completely. Before attempting any inspection or repair, always disconnect the heat gun from its power source for safety. This is the most important first step. Once safely disconnected, perform a visual inspection. Check the power cord, casing, and fan blades for any visible damage. Clean the air vents to remove dust and debris that might be blocking airflow. Make sure the fan blades are tight and can spin freely without obstruction. This basic inspection will help you identify obvious problems before moving to more advanced troubleshooting steps. First, check the power supply to ensure it's stable and meets your heat gun specifications. Verify the power plug and socket have firm contact. Next, inspect the motor for any signs of damage. Look for worn bearings, loose connections, or physical damage to the motor housing. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the switch and other electrical components. Set the multimeter to continuity mode and test each connection. Examine the circuit board for burnt components or loose connections. Look for discolored areas, damaged traces, or components that appear swollen or cracked. Inspect the air pump sealing gasket for aging or cracks. A damaged gasket can cause air leakage and reduce the heat gun's efficiency. If components are damaged, replacement may be necessary. Common replacements include the heating element, motor, switches, and gaskets. Regular maintenance extends your heat gun's life. Clean air vents regularly, allow cool down periods, avoid maximum temperature for extended periods, and store in a cool, dry place.